9,000 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 goes into 9 3 times. Write 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means 0. 3 goes into 0. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 3 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means 0. 3 goes into this 0, 0 times. So 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 0. As your remainder is 0, so 3000 is our answer or quotient.